So I think we are recording now. Let me go ahead and show you how to set up breakout rooms in Zoom. Go down here. You need to go into your Zoom profile. Zoom dot, that mess. Anyway, go to your Zoom profile and the same place that you would change all your settings. Profile where you put your picture. It's your meetings tab for previous meetings, meetings scheduled, training, all that. Settings is what is important. Go down here. This gives you a lot of different things you can do with Zoom, as far as just ways to record it. You can have it automatically recording when you get started. You can even have it automatically save the chat. Oh, slow down. Okay. Okay, so you can scroll through all of these. They're really interesting options in here. And I just went through that way too fast. Sorry. There we go. Chat. This is allows participants to see the chat messages. This one I like. Auto saves chat, so you don't have to remember to save the chat when you start a Zoom meeting. Feedback to Zoom. That's all good. Screen sharing. Okay. Here's good. Who can share? You can put all participants. So this will automatically save it from the get-go. This works, of course, for staff meetings and that kind of thing. Wouldn't necessarily do that with the students. And this is disabling desktop screen share for users. Anyway, down here is breakout rooms. And I already have it marked. So it was like this before. So this basically allows you to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling. So you just click that, and then you can assign the rooms before you even set up the Zoom meeting. That way they can go into the breakout rooms when it's time to have breakout sessions. So this is really kind of cool for large staff meetings that we want to have teams to break out into. So you go here, schedule meeting. Yeah, I don't know if it'll let me do it while I'm actually in a Zoom meeting, because I'm currently in a Zoom meeting. But if you go into start a new meeting, it should have the option for breakout rooms. You can even assign them ahead of time. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you. So if you have any questions, let me know. And now I need to start recording. Stop recording. Here we go. No, stop recording. Was I already recording? Ah, there we go.